好.
你好.
你好.
你好. All right.
Thank you very much for joining me.
No worries.
So what's meaning 你好?
Hello.
Yeah, but do you know what's meaning 你 and then what's meaning 好?
No.
No, 你 means you. 你.
Gotcha.
And then 好 means good.
Okay.
So it means you good.
You good.
Just like namaste, like I wish you good.
Okay.
You try to guess what I'm telling you. 你好，我的名字 Moss.
Maybe my name is Moss.
Good guessing means my name is
我的
means mine.
我的
Yeah, so what you get what's the meaning 名字
name.
Yeah. 我的名字 Moss.
我的名字 Jess.
Perfect. Guess another meaning. 你的名字 Jess. What's meaning? Guess.
Your name is Jess.
Perfect.
Your name is Moss.
Wait, how do you say your name is Moss?
你的名字 Moss. Oh yes.
Can you greeting each other?
你好。我的名字 Jess.
你好，我的名字 Kyle。
很好. 很好 means very good.
Yeah.
So what do you know about Chinese language or Chinese people, anything, just about Chinese?
Not much at all. Just that the language is hard.
Okay.
Is
Yeah.
What
I got that a lot. And what do you think the Chinese characters are?
I don't know. There's lots of lines.
Lots of lines. Okay, let me show you. So this part is 3,000-4,000 years ago Chinese characters. And this part is nowadays simplified Chinese characters.
Okay.
And these are the pronunciation. And guess what are those? What does that look like?
Like pictures. Of
Yeah,
The moon?
exactly. Chinese characters about pictures, graphic,
Okay.
symbol.
Right.
Yeah.
Sun, moon. Crown.
Why? Now?
Okay.
That mountain.
River.
River, yes. So that's nowadays. And then this is 日,
日
月,
月
山,
山
水.
水
Okay, that's the sun.
Yeah.
And that's the moon. And then if I combine these two characters together, and this is another character, it's called 明.
Okay. 明
And then that means bright.
Right. Okay.
Because you see the sunlight, you see the moonlight together, which means bright.
Okay.
And it has another meaning, means the next day.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Because when you see the sun, when you see the moon, that means, there's one day pass. So
Okay.
the next day.
Right.
Okay, so now you know what Chinese characters are, or what Chinese is about. Have
Yes.
you got? Okay, that's good. Can you two guess how many these kind of, let's say, symbols, characters in Chinese language?
26,000.
20
800.
Chinese characters are
90,000.
because it's been thousands of years, nobody can know this many characters, and some of the characters are already not used anymore. For example, that we went to Chitwan jungle. Will we be able to know how many trees are there in total? No. How many animals in total?
Maybe not. No.
Yeah. Welcome to Chinese jungle, though. It's yeah. It's impossible to know all this. But let's say if we go to that Chitwan jungle, our goal today is just to see the rhino. Without a tour guide, how many days you think you can find the rhino?
I don't know. One sun and moon.
One sun and moon.
Yeah.
So which is only for one day, next day, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Before you find the rhino, maybe the tiger will find you, or leopard. Yeah. But with tour guide, maybe 2-3 hours, right, directly.
Yeah.
So I'm your tour guide. Yeah, to the Chinese jungle. So that's why I said if you learn by the system, and it's easy. Otherwise, you always take round and
Yes,
turns
I know.
to find your goal.
For sure.
All right, now let's start it.
Yes, that was good explanation. Take us on a safari.
Oh,
Like,
yes,
welcome
safari.
to the jungle.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Welcome to Chinese jungle. For basic, basic. If you have follow the good system, and then in the future you can learn faster. Otherwise, we always have to go back to the basic to keep feeling the whole one stuff. Okay, so now let's go back to the basic Chinese pronunciation. And these are the phonics. So this one, this is bo,
Bo,
po,
po,
mo,
ma,
fo.
fo.
Yeah.
Bo, po, mo, fo.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah. And bo, we have baba.
Baba.
We get what I mean.
Sheep. I know it.
Baba. Baba. But no, the sheep is like meh. That's sheep. Meh.
Baba, black sheep.
Okay. So baba means daddy.
Okay.
And then so we have mo, which is mama. No, it's easy.
Mama.
Mama.
The mum.
Mom, yeah. And then get what's the meaning? 我的爸爸.
My dad.
Yeah. Can you try to say my mom?
我的妈妈.
Okay, this is 朋. We have 朋友. 朋友.
朋友.
朋友 means friend.
Friend.
So what's meaning 我的朋友?
My friend.
Very good. So let's go back to mo. And then mo, we have 妹妹.
妹妹.
Well, you got the tones right.
Yeah.
Means younger sister.
Younger sister.
Yeah. So can you try to say my younger sister?
我的妹妹.
Perfect. And then we have 没有
没有.
means don't have. So you know.
Don't have.
So now you get what's meaning. 我没有妹妹.
I don't have a younger sister. Nice.
So 没有 means don't have. So get what's meaning. 有.
Have.
Perfect. So now try to say I have a younger sister.
我有妹妹. Okay.
I'm gonna add a little bit difficult.
Okay.
So 我没有妹妹. What's meaning?
I don't have a younger sister.
Yeah. And 你有妹妹.
你有妹妹. You have younger sister.
Yes. 她的名字 Corny. Now you guess.
Her name is Courtney. Got it.
Very
Talented
talented.
means Courtney.
Yeah. Now it's your turn. Can you try to say I have a younger sister and her name is Corny?
我有妹妹，她的名字 Courtney.
Very talented.
Nice.
Okay. Now let's move on to 房. For
For
we have 房子
房子.
means house.
Okay.
All kinds of house. So what's meaning? 我没有房子.
I don't have a house.
Good. How do you say I have a house?
我有房子.
Now let's move on in other words. 房间.
房间.
Hey, you got the first one right. Again, which is really awesome. Okay, means room.
Okay.
So what's meaning? 我有房间.
I have a room. Okay.
谢谢。
谢谢. Thank you. Crazy girl.